My name's Martyn, and I'm a first-year or second-year franchisee now with College Pro. I run my business in London, Ontario, Canada. I wanted to run my own franchise because the biggest thing that I always repeated to whoever asked me why I did this was I wanted to gain some really good values and self-development. And that's definitely what I got from it. What I looked for wasn't necessarily profit, even though that's a big aspect of this, but more the opportunity that came with doing things that are so different than my peers. Something that came with, going and running your own business, hiring your employees and putting something down on paper after you're done the experience, and knowing that you're going to be so drastically different after the experience, that was something that piqued my interest. The way that I was introduced to College Pro was in one of my lectures, where someone came into my lecture and spoke about College Pro. And not actually the name, they just introduced the concept, and I thought that's something really interesting. I want to run a business and I want to become an entrepreneur when I'm older. So I figured that I would go into it just with an open mind, and I actually set the expectation that I wasn't going to do it. I was just going to go in and see how the interview process was and back out. And little did I know that I would actually end up running a franchise and pursuing every single challenge that came to me. I was looking for a challenge and very, very optimistic and wanting something more in life. And I had a lot of self-awareness at that point as to what I wanted and what I wanted down the road. And this was something that I saw as a stepping stone to get there. So I was hopeful. Not only have I invested in myself, but I think a lot of the people around me have invested in myself, and that's what allowed me to succeed so well. This has changed my path in the way that it's heightened the view that I have of myself and the opportunities that I can take, because I always knew that I wanted to become an entrepreneur. But with this, unlike a typical entrepreneurial experience where you are by yourself running a business or maybe another partner, you're surrounded by 50 other peers who are going through the same thing, and it's very inspirational to be around those people. And it's always the people around you that bring you up, just as it takes a village to take care of a baby. And this was something where, at the beginning of it, I wanted to become an entrepreneur. I had this vision in my mind of what it would look like, but this has really changed everything for me in the sense that now I want to go down a bigger path. I want to run a bigger business. I want to be a better leader. And every single year it's different. It's inspiring.